Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning the chair to expose the caster sockets. Work now while the mechanism is stable. Spray a little lubricant into each socket and let it soak 1 to 3 minutes so the stem loosens. Use gloves to protect your hands and position a rag beneath to catch debris. Once done, use a flat pry bar or a strong screwdriver against the wheel head to leverage the caster out. Go slow to avoid scratching the base. If a caster resists, apply penetrating oil and wait 5 to 10 minutes so the lubricant reaches the stem joint. Patience pays off. Next, wedge a pry tool between wheel and socket lip and tap the tool's handle with a rubber mallet, short, controlled strikes, to coax the caster free. Rotate the caster stem while pulling outward. This alternates pressure points and helps overcome corrosion or grime. Make sure to protect the base edge with a rag or wood block. After removing all casters, clean each socket thoroughly with a rag and a small brush to remove gunk. This ensures new wheels seat properly. Test fit new caster stems and apply a thin film of grease so future removal is easier. Push them fully home until you hear a click. If a socket is bent or stripped and a caster won't seat, consider a replacement base or use a metal adapter sleeve. This corrects fit and prevents wobble.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.